Morning from Benidorm. In a few hours, bars like these will be completely packed as the races start over here. But weather isn't the best currently. It's around 14 degrees, really clouded. But it is really busy already here on the Levante Beach. Lots of people having a walk down there, looking for some places for breakfast. And as weather related, looks like those clouds are going to break open at around 6 p.m. Let's hope they wait until that, so most of the time it will be dry. I'm going to head towards the strip, check out how the progress is going over there. Lots of bars are being prepared, restocked for a really busy day. Probably everywhere shelters will be up to make sure people can sit dry with the weather that's expected. But this will be the worst day, the rest will be more sunshine. Let's see how this place changes in a bit as the madness starts in a few hours. Okay, so let's head towards the strip, check out over there. If you consider want helping me, please do give the video a like, really does help. And do subscribe if you're new to the channel and curious how this place looks like in a few hours. This will, by the way, be the extension bit of the Tiki beach. They have put the logo up there already to put on there. They have bought this place up and gonna expand into this. Won't be ready for today, hopefully for Paddy's Day. Currently around 10:30 a.m. The signs are new, I think. Can't remember this up here. Restaurants and everything are still closed. It's early in the morning, only breakfast places are open. Probably on the strip we'll see lots of people going for an English breakfast. We're at 4 Jacks. They even prepared for a complete tent under the tent. Don't know why. Certainly different than the rest does. First few people are already in there in the first bar I see. And for those prices up here, definitely really affordable still. Even on this day, $3.50, 2 pints. Really good deals you got there in Benidorm. I'm heading a bit further on towards where the Rockstar starts, Jumping Jacks, and from there on I'm going to continue into the strip. Quite some people down here already at the Bulldog. Secure your table early here in Benidorm, so you get the best seat of the house. And they serve breakfast as well as those places like here. So many people opt nowadays to go towards Benidorm, towards the races, with hotel prices getting cheaper, flights also more affordable and easier to find what fits you. Besides that, with this unpredictable weather we have currently over here, bars have invested really heavily in coverings to make sure tourists sit dry during the unpredictable weather. And the best thing of all, tomorrow and the day after are going to be sunshine. Friday, I believe, even 20 degrees. Really beautiful days coming up. There it is, beginning of the strip. We're not the only ones heading there. Let's see how busy this place will be already. First bar starts quite empty around here. Good thing for the staff, they can start a little bit slowly while they're really busy down there with already restocking everything, making sure for a really busy day. Screen is on. Let's head on. The always popular Jumping Jacks. And if you're thinking about prices over here at these bars, €4, 2 pints. This one opens early, Jumping Jacks. The other one on the opposite of the street, the $1 Million, the first people are already lined up outside until it opens in, hopefully for them, a few minutes so you can grab a seat. Funky Flamingo, lots of indoor space, coverings outside, big screen on the left. On the opposite, all those trucks restocking every single venue they have, Winning Posts, Yorkshire Pride, what a crowd inside there. Same goes for this big one, the Planet Benidorm. But first, look on my left, Andy's. It's still morning, guys, it's already filled up. But as I said, Planet Benidorm up here. Completely packed inside. Let's have a look at their breakfast prices. Not every bar is open. Tiki City, one of the ones that opens probably a bit later. Staff was already at work. Hotel Marina. Are there any people on the terrace? Let's have a walk down there. Yesterday was completely empty when I walked here at this bar. Seems to be the prices are a bit high. Few people are here. One of the things that has changed, they used to have the pricing lists on the tables. That doesn't seem to be the case now anymore. But they do have a really big screen out. Something they don't have is lots of covering for if the sky breaks up early. Only got those small parasols up there. Show you guys over here on the left. More seating space. Will be probably more used in the upcoming days when the weather is better. They certainly have some big screens up here. Let's not forget about the Irish bars. There we got Shamrock. On the right, the Dublin House. Bit of covering, big screen as well. I'm going to be open up later. On my right at Zodiac, they have opened the doors. You can see a bit inside. The new Zodiac probably won't be open today. Still got lots of work to do. Looks like the furniture is in. On the opposite, everything will be open later on. Showing the games, sports. And they even gave a yellow weather warning, as you can see on the sign there. For rain, let's hope it isn't necessary. KFC is still closed. Rose and Crown back open, up and running already. Will be a totally crammed and packed bar later on. This one's completely covered. Really busy down there already at the Brit Station. Cheers, guys. Heineken trucks. You know what these are delivering in Benidorm? Red Lion. Got Insomnia there. Crown Pub. And this place is still empty. It's very strange. Other ones completely filled up. This one empty. Next door at California, they're still preparing the banners on the sides to make sure they're ready to open. No music playing yet. Let's wait for the cars. It's really busy down here with trucks and everything. It's like a constant parade of beer trucks and drink trucks that are delivering stuff. In the back you can see a tour bus coming this way. There's still plenty of people getting dropped off from the airport that just arrived. Look at how quiet and empty it is here at the Western Saloon. You hardly see it like this. opposite the Why Not bar. Got a big screen there. And there as well, plenty of covering. It isn't open yet. Got the Wild Duck. Completely covered roof they have here. Lots of space indoors. Plastic screens on the side in case any wind gets in. The first few people are in already. Most of them are still having breakfast over here. Got the Waikiki bar. All sheltered in for later on. I believe even Morgan's is opening up early. This bar usually opens up late. I think today, or at least this week, will be a big exception from that. Back there at the Calypso you can see more people being dropped off, waiting for check-in. It's still early for them. Most of the time rooms are available from around, let's say, 3 p.m. I believe hotels do that nowadays, a bit earlier. It used to be 4. Most of them do 3, or even 2 if you're lucky. More trucks back there at Uncle Pat's and everything. Gonna check those ones out later on when it gets busier here in Benidorm. Thank you all for watching. Want to see yesterday's video? Make sure to click head over here. Yesterday evening off the strip, how the party was already going. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please that like if you want to see later on how the madness will be here in Benidorm.